Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a review of a product. It is actually a ScoopFree SmartSpin self-cleaning litter box, and this was sent to us by a company that's called PetSafe. This is the product. This is actually a litter box, but this is connected through a Wi-Fi, and there's also app on the phone. I'll show you all the details later in the video, but the main objective is that you don't have to pick up the waste yourself. Rather, it goes in the bin automatically, which is underneath this litter, and then this thing spins to clean up this litter box. So I'll show you all the details in this video. So just to give you an idea of the size of this litter, you can see it from the back, and this is actually a circular shape, and it is on a stand. So when it comes in a box, it was all flat, but then you can assemble it in this way. That is not really very technical. The instructions are really very easy. It comes with a handbook, and there's a barcode on this one, so you can scan the barcode and it gives you all the instructions. So these are the parts you can see in this picture. So it was all packed in a box, and there are some other accessories you get, like waste bags, deodorizer, and then there's an alignment tool, screws, screwdriver, gloves, and an adapter. And with the adapter, they have given different options according to the countries. There's one additional deodorizer, and these are waste bags, and these are the gloves. So from the base, this is the stand. Like, these were the legs. You just put them in, and it becomes a stand. And there's a waste bin here. So you'll just put up a waste bag on it, and you put a deodorizer here and just push it inside. So this is sealed so that there's no smell coming out of it, but all the waste actually falls in this basket eventually. To assemble this product, it takes around I would say 20-25 minutes. It's quite easy, very simple. But this is the base, and this is the display. The Wi-Fi button, and when a cat enters, this is a button that will light up. And then there's a waste bin button, so when the waste basket is full, this should light up. And this is a function button, basically when you're putting a litter or changing a litter. So I'll show you how it works. So in the start, when you are filling this litter box with litter, so you press this function button for 3 seconds, and there should be a display of this A, and when you can see this A, you fill this litter up, and there's a sign here which says max. So you fill this litter up to that level, and once you've done that, you just press it once, and that should go off, and then it just rotates once to settle down, but it will come in this it will be static like this in the end. So I've already shown you the functions, but you can see in this picture as well. So there's Wi-Fi button, cat entry light button, and then display button, and then there is a weight drawer, full light button, and a cleaning button. So these are the ones here. Okay, so these are the detailed instructions of how to assemble this product, and you have a QR code on this to download an app, and once you have downloaded the app, you bring it closer to this product, press this Wi-Fi button, and it will ask about Wi-Fi, and it will get connected with the app through Wi-Fi. So how this product works is that once cat enters, there's a sensor that will have an idea that there's a cat inside. But for that to happen, the cat needs to weigh at least 1.1 kg. So if it's a small kitten or the cat which is not heavier than 1.1 kg, then obviously the sensor wouldn't work, and this product will have no idea that there's a cat inside, so the spin cycle wouldn't start. So it's not ideal for the kittens, I would say. Moment it comes out, it start blinking, so it will start a cycle after 3 minutes. So this should start spinning. So at the moment there is no waste in it, although a cat just went in the litter, but it just came out. I've just placed that deodorizer as an example. So you'll see that when it starts spinning, this should fall in the waste bin. So this should start spinning after 3 minutes. So now it is started. You can see the light is static and now it's spinning. So now you've seen that the cat went inside, and as an example I've just shown you this is actually a clean litter, but I just put a deodorizer as an example for the waste. For you will see it is in a bin here now, and rest of the litter, that is still in this litter box. So when the waste box is full, you get a notification on the app, and also this light here that lights up, so you'll know that it's full. You just take this waste bag and just close it and throw it away, and put another waste bin in it, and put this basket back in its place. So we have this app which is connected through Wi-Fi, and this will show you different information. Like you can see that there was like for example the last time is one time litter box visits, and you also have details of timings, like when the cat entered. So the app also shows you how long the cat was in the litter box, and it shows you the weight. So for example, here you can see it's 54 seconds, and the weight of the cat is 3.1 kg. So it was 8:15, but then the cleaning cycle was completed at 8:21. So once the waste basket is full, you get a notification, and you can just pack that waste bag from the waste bin, and just throw it in the bin. Personally, I'm very satisfied with this product, and it brings so much convenience, obviously, and also from cleanliness point of view, the litter remains clean, and it's very convenient to just remove the waste bin when it's full. So I would highly recommend this product. The price of this product at the moment is £400, and you can get discount of 10% if you subscribe to the newsletter. I would say the quality of this product is really nice. The finishing is really good, and it brings so much convenience, and also keeps the litter clean, safe for the cats as well. So if you are a cat owner or you have cats, I would say this product can bring so much ease and convenience for you. The maximum weight for a cat, like which is recommended, is 11 kg. So minimum I've told you is 1.1 kg. But generally, mostly the cats, they weigh between 1.1 and 11. So this can be used by most of the cat owners. So to give you an idea how you can clean this product or disassemble, so this is the waste bin that comes out from the bottom. So you just take this bag out and throw it away. Litter can be filled here, and you can see you can do it from the top, or even you can place it just on this base and then fill it from here. So this is a cover which is magnetic on the side, and it just goes on top of that, on this cylinder basically. And here you have got a hook, so it just locks in to this place. So there's a small knob sort of thing behind this. So when this cylinder is placed here, you just lock it on this thing. So this way you can just take all these things separately and clean. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions you can ask in the comments, and I would try to answer or give you information as far as I know. Thank you.